WallyFlex is a practical central vacuum tool to put in your laundry room, bathroom, kitchen, garage, or workshop. It's an innovative auxiliary hose for central vacuums that is always there when needed. Its design makes cleaning extremely easy and installation simple. The hose stretches to 14 feet and standard attachments fit directly on WallyFlex. Installing one is like adding an additional inlet valve to your wall. The same pipe, fittings, low voltage wire, and backing plate create the new valve. WallyFlex has everything you need to install it on a standard backing plate. Make sure that the chosen location is fully accessible for the installation of pipes and low voltage wire to the central vacuum unit. Put the pipe at or around light switch height so WallyFlex is easy to use. Install the piping and low voltage wire according to your central vacuum manufacturer's recommendation. Begin by unplugging your central vacuum. Splice the low voltage wire from WallyFlex into the existing low voltage wire that runs along the pipe. There's often a pre-existing splice near the other three-way junctions that you can tie into. Align and insert the extension on the back of the console into the hole on the mounting plate. Attach the WallyFlex mounting plate with the provided screws. If there's a 90-degree elbow directly behind the wall inlet mounting plate, you must use 1 1/4" screw and 1 1.5" screw rather than using 2 1.5" screws. In order to avoid piercing the fitting, use the shorter screw for the hole opposite the elbow. Pass the low voltage wire through the opening at the back of the console. Then attach the console to the mounting plate using the 3 3/4" screws provided. Connect the low voltage wires to the terminal screws. Close the front panel of the console, ensuring the tabs on the door and the console are aligned properly. Carefully lower the console cover and tighten the screws in the back. Once the console is installed, turn the central vacuum unit back on. Insert the hose into the bottom of the console and secure it by rotating the hose clockwise until it clicks. Insert the nozzle into the console and your WallyFlex is installed and ready to use. To test it out, remove the nozzle from the WallyFlex console. Pull the switch located on the right side of it. This will activate the central vacuum. Now you're all set for quick and easy cleaning anywhere in your home. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow DIY videos.